Hi guys and gals. This week we're going to try making some Easter themed cookies. We're going to be using 3 ingredients. So stay tuned and let's jump right in. To start this cookie cake box recipe off, I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I got my ingredients together. So in front of me I have half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, a bag of Easter M&Ms, box of Funfetti Cake Mix, and some sprinkles. I got star ones because I personally don't like those other sprinkles. So I'm just going to whisk together the egg and the oil. And I'm going to add that egg and oil mixture to the cookie box mix. Now I'm just going to mix it until it's all combined. Combined! Since I'm only putting M&Ms in half of the batch, I'm going to take half the dough out now and reserve that for later. And this half, I'm going to add in some M&Ms and mix it up again. I'm not going to add all of the M&Ms because I want to use some of them for garnish. So, add those M&Ms in, mix it up. So I have my portion scoop here, and I'm just gonna scoop out the cookies onto a silk pad lined sheet tray. Not exactly sure how many this is gonna make. We'll see, I guess. I'm gonna guess 2 dozen, maybe 3. Ooh, not quite a full one. Oh well. So these ones are going to be sprinkled, but the way I like to do my sprinkles is dumping my sprinkles into the bowl, grabbing the cookie dough ball, rolling it, and placing it back on the sheet tray. Oh, it smells like butter. It smells good. Alright, we'll speed things up a little for you. Same theory for the Easter version. Just gonna scoop each one out. The thing I like about portion scoop is that it evenly portions everything. So they end up looking nice and uniform in the end. The M&M one is gonna end up yielding more because we added those M&Ms in it. So took up more volume, therefore we'll have more cookies on this batch. I'm just gonna garnish it with M&Ms. Don't forget to rotate your pans halfway through baking. It goes top to bottom and turn it around. Alright, first impression. Let's see. It has a nice crumb to it. Some nice golden bottom. And it tastes like a Funfetti cookie. Not too bad. They smell delicious. They weren't that difficult to make. They took 10 minutes to bake, about 5 minutes to make and scoop. It's a good, quick, easy, fun Easter cookie to try out. There's no decorating needed. You can zhuzh it up with icing if you want, but I think just topping them with some M&Ms or some cool sprinkles is pretty good. It makes it nice and easy. Stay tuned for next week. We're gonna try out another fun spring-inspired dessert. In the meantime, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for joining me.